Hello again. This is the first in a series of tool how-tos or tutorials, or one might say tool-torios. Here I'm going to be talking about this wonderful hedge trimmer, grass shear trimmer unit, and how to replace the shears with the nice hedge attachment. Look at this. So you push this little tab and then you can rotate this way, and that unlocks and reveals how it's attached here. Stand by. Oh. Really? That's it? Okay, after revealing this here, this just slides right out, just pulls right out. Now we're going to take the other piece and put it in there. You'll notice some screw holes there. Take this and we stick this right here. And then we're going to screw in these little screws. Okay, we've got it right there. Take our screwdriver. Like so. Take this piece and put it back on. Now folks, it's very important you make sure that you're getting in there. You get in there, throw it in there, get in there first, and then it sits in there nice. You don't want it bulging up, you want it to sit in there. And screw it in. Yeah. I've had enough of this, Makita. Oh, who is it now? Okay. Get things to specialize in one thing. That's the moral of the story here. This will always be a grass clipper, and I will always hate it for anything else. I would assume that you just can't put the little cover on it when this is on there, because every time you tighten it down, it pulls it up in the back where you can't even get the little cover that swivels and pulls off there. So give up that dream and use it like that without the cover, because it's not coming on. Thanks, Makita. There it is. It's cute. You trim your small to medium bushes, probably small bushes. I'm reverting back to the old way. The moral of the story with this tool is buy a dedicated hedge trimmer. Don't buy this thing. It's a novel idea that you can convert it to a trimmer, from a grass shear to a hedge trimmer. But I am not a fan of the change out switch over process. That's a result of this tutorial. There you have it, take it or leave it. All right. Go back to its normal former state. Pretty simple. You can get down in there. I just wish I could get the other one down in there. Let me try it again. I just want to try one more time. I don't want to be daunted. I want to be undaunted. Loving you. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Shoo-ba-da-ba-da-doo. Every time I try to screw it down, it bends this whole stupid freaking thing back that way, so you can't put that cap on. So there's no way it can be done. And I've wasted 3 more minutes. I'll let those charge up and get to this mission later and talk to you later. Bye.